Hello, welcome to Homesteading Northwest Florida, and today is Wednesday, June 14th. I've been back about a week and a day, so 8 days, and it is 5:15 at night. It's cooling down a little bit. It is 88 to 87 degrees. It was 90 some, 100 degree heat index. And it rained yesterday, though, quite a bit, like a heat-induced storm. They say it might do the same thing tonight. I'm leaving that because I know that is Mexican milkweed. And it has a pretty flower at the end of summer. And I did a little fertilizing and everything on this, around this ebb tide purple rose, and I found a mole vole tunnel, filled it in though with good potting soil and fertilizer. I had to pick a couple birds' nests. It's been pretty windy today, gusts of 30 miles an hour. So I ripped the sucker out of this rose bush. Oh, there's a couple more things I want to take off here. This is like a dead part. And birds keep on trying to nest in this rose bush at that level. They like that level. They might like that nothing can crawl up it. Oh, I gotta go check out. Oh, there's a big mimosa tree that I finally cut down over there. It has little seedlings coming out of the roots, of course. But I had this area pretty well cleared before, but in winter it clears out. Chopped down some other mimosa trees too. This one can only fall one way, so I put some cuts in it and it's dead, but it's jammed against another tree. I don't know if you can see that. Also, here, I heard some noises earlier today, and I have this like on a rope ratchet, which is like a come-along, where I can pull that rope and make it tighter and tighter. But this tree, the roots came out. It's a pretty tall tree, and there's a vine here, I noticed, that is holding these roots on. I wonder what'll happen if I cut that vine. Like right there across this top and across, and it's really, is that tight. So I took a ladder and put a rope on here that goes along to the come along, to the white rope with the ratchet, and I'm trying to keep it from falling on this truck. And here's another tree that's due to fall. This pine tree is pretty dead. Let's see what happens when that one falls. So I'm trying to charge this battery in this truck. Batteries don't fare so well in heat. And I just pulled a great big bird's nest out of the front of this truck, they like to do. And this is so the hood will not shut, so that I can't charge the battery. Because if I can't, this is all, there's no key. The key entrance doesn't work. That's what it is. The actuator, the whole key entrance does not work. So, I wish it had a lock on this other side too. And actually what I really think too is what happened with this truck is another, I can't get in here. I wish they had a key on that side, but it's all electric, which really sucks. But yeah, I think what actually happened with this truck is something fell on this truck. At least the tailgate is all dented in the middle. You can't really tell from the way that I fixed it. And then I drilled through this panel and bolted it on. But there's a dent in the middle of this tailgate. But I got bolts and everything, and then I was going to restore this truck completely, and I did fix the differential seal. So that's good. And I got a new tire and another new tire, but I'm kind of like at a standstill here with this door not working. So now I got to charge this battery, and I'm making sure that the hood does not close. So what does it say here? Repair mode. What does it say here? I got my bifocals. Repair mode. What does it say? Repair. It is says it repair. Yeah, okay. So that's good. But we'll see. It's kind of clouding up now. And we'll see if it rains. But this tree is jammed all. It's like a 40-foot tree. And I was worried that this would happen. But thank God I'm here to ratchet it back and catch it before it does any damage. I got the chainsaw out. I'm super tempted just to cut it, you know, but I think I might release this. If I can move the truck, I'll release this root and it'll fall. But this one was very shallowly rooted anyhow, and I always noticed that when I was clearing in this area. I was like, oh my God, yeah. But here's a root that just rotted and broke, so it wasn't holding by much. So hopefully my method here will keep it from falling on the truck. So alright, thanks for watching. Another issue at the Homesteading Northwest Florida that we'll see if we can solve on our own without calling anybody. Alright, thanks for watching.